Assalamu alaikum to class. Beta, open your English textbook page number 31. The task first is sound out the phonic words. Read the tricky words as a whole. Means tricky words without phonics we will read as a whole. Find and underline some of the words in reading text. You read these words and also find out these words from your lesson. Okay. These three sounds having the same sounds. Four sounds are same, like O sound, T O two. The sound is O, T O two, F O D food, K O cool, soon, wolf, blue, new, through, grew, chewed. These all are having, as I already say, remember, these four are having make same sounds. Blue, true, rule, ruler, rude, super. What are the sounds of these four letters? U sound. Okay. Now read the tricky words to eyes, parents, child and children. Make this sentence of these tricky words, okay, on your notebook. Next, there is the task that you have to complete these sentences with these four sounds according to the word. Okay. For example, the title of the poem is Hot Food. Michael dash on his potato. You see, Michael blow. EW sound is here. Blow. On his potato, woof. O sound. He knew it. It could burn his mouth. Knew. It's a past form of know. Soon the potato grew cool. So you have to fill these blanks. After this, match the rhyming words. Circle 5 words that rhyme with to. Okay, you have to match like to, food, rude, blue. You can also true, rule, cool, new, grew. So in this way you have to match with the rhyming words and also find out which are same rhyming with the to. As you can see, to, blue, grew, true. So these are the words that rhyme with to. Now come on the next page, page number 32. Grammar and punctuation. What is punctuation? Punctuation are the signs to enhance the sentence, to make it easy to understand. In today's punctuation is comma. Why we use comma? We use comma to separate word in a list. If we have a lot of words and without any separation we cannot find that which word, where the first word ends and where the next word started. For example, look at this. In my garden, I have pink, red, blue, yellow and orange flowers. So there are a lot of words, pink, red, blue and yellow. If we write without giving space, so it will be not easy to find out what is the word. So to make it easy to understand, we put commas between a list to separate the word. In my bedroom, there is a bed, bookcase, table and cupboard. So beta, your task is you have to put commas in these lists. Like here you will put comma, here, and in this you will also put comma to separate the words. In my living room, there is a dash. Now you have to write down that what things are present in your living room from this word bank, okay, and which things are present in your kitchen. You will take the words from this word bank and write it here and separate it with comma. The next and most important grammar topic, that is noun and verb. As you know that we have done it already in one class. What is noun and what is verb? Verb is also discussed in first lesson, Salim's lessons. So now we will write these definition on notebook also. Noun are the naming words, or noun is the name of a person, place or a thing. Okay, for example, they have written example, some teacher, Nasreen, Lahore, house, potato, plate. But you have to write down the definition first, and then you will make 3 columns. Here you will write the person name, in the second column you will write the place name, and in the third column you make a list of things. Okay, so in this way you will write more than 1 or 2 examples. Make the examples how you can do. A verb is a doing word, or verb is an action word. Doing and action is the same meaning word. For example, eat, put, blow, drink, walk, sleep. There are a lot of words that are verbs. So firstly you will write the definition of verb, then you have to make a list of verbs. Okay, look at this. The task is list the verbs and noun in the box using comma. Take the nouns and write it here, which are the names of thing, person or a place, and which are the action words you have to write down here. Okay, so this is your task.